Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, I hope you are fine, alright? And welcome back to our English class again. So, are you ready for learning English? Okay, I hope you are ready, right? So, today I want to continue our lesson. But before going to our lesson, I want you to know the objectives of our lesson today, okay? So there are three objectives for our lesson today. Okay. Number one, student can understand the grammar. Okay. So after watching this video, I hope you can understand the grammar that I am going to teach you. Okay. Number two, copy the lesson into exercise book A. And last one, number three, do homework into exercise book B. Okay. So if you don't understand, you can read it in Khmer, right? Okay, so let's go to our lesson. So today I'm going to show you about the grammar, alright? Yeah, today we are going to study about present simple with do not or don't and does not or doesn't, right? You have already learned about do and does, right? But today it's different a little bit about do not and does not, right? Okay, so do not or don't, we use with what, everyone? Do you still remember? Yes, very good, okay? Do not or don't, we use with I, you, we, they, and plural nouns, right? What is plural nouns? Very good. Plural nouns are nouns that have more than one, right? Very good. So let's go to see the example. I do not have a pig. So I we use with do, right? Do not. So do not mean the negative sentence, right? I do not have a pig. It means you don't have a pig, right? Another example, Tida and Nari do not grow rice. So why we just do here? Because of Tida and Nari, it's a plural noun, right? So we use do not, right? Another example, students don't feed the chickens. Students don't feed the chicken. So why we use don't here? Because of students. How many students? A lot of students, right? Because of student with S, right? Very good. Okay. So next is about does not or doesn't. So do you still remember how to use does? Does we use with what, everyone? Yeah, very good. Does we use with he, she, it, and singular nouns, right? Very good. So what is singular nouns? Singular noun is a noun that have only one, right? For example, can you give me an example? Very good. A boy, a girl, right? Very good. So let's go to see how to use it. Okay. He does not have a car. So why we use does not? Because of subject he, right? So he does not have a car. Another example, Nari does not like sugar. So why we use does not? Because of Nari. Nari is a singular noun, so we use does not, right? If I use Nari and me, what should you use? Yeah, very good. We use Nari and me don't like sugar, right? But here only Nari, so we use does not. Okay? So another example, teacher doesn't go to farm. Teacher doesn't go to farm. So why we use doesn't? Because of teacher. How many teacher? Very good. Only one teacher, right? Because no S. So we use doesn't. Teacher doesn't go to farm. Alright? So, do you have any question of using do not or does not? Okay, if you have any question, please let me know, okay? So, let's go to our homework. Homework, fill the blanks with do not or don't and does not or doesn't. Example, I go to school. So I fill with do not, right? Because of what? Because of subject I. Okay? So the rest I want you to do by yourself. If you have any question, please let me know, okay? So that's all about today's video, and I hope you can understand and you get it. If you have any question, please ask, and thank you for watching and attention. Hope to see you next video. Bye.